Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Big D. Hey, welcome back. Today we're cooking beer can chicken. Not so much really beer can because they got this little device here. You just pour the beer inside, put the chicken on top. A little bit nice little invention you can get at Royal King. Well, you gotta have a full bird. So let's show you how this is done. Alright, here we've got our chicken. If you just put the rub on the outside, it don't really do much. So get your fingers in here. Stretch out. I always like to use butter, a little garlic, and some rub. Not major. Now mix that together. Then put that, smear that butter on the inside. Comes out real moist. Then go on top of it. Here's the seasoning. Put it down inside the cavity. You put down beside your pull your little stand here. Fill it about 3/4 of the way full. Take it out. Stick it up. Got it sitting there. Now you'll see us put it on the grill. Hey, what's up, everybody? Hey, well, we rubbed down the chicken. Now it's on the grill. We got it set up about 300 to 325. We're gonna turn around. I got it on indirect heat. Got some coal over there with some hickory chunks on it. Turn around, set it down. Should be done in about an hour and a half, 2 hours. I'll see how it's done at the end. Hey everybody, well, beer can chicken's done. Man, let it sit for about 5 minutes. We're going to cut this thing apart. Hope you all enjoyed this. We got a lot of videos coming up. You know, this one show beer can chicken and our grilled corn. We got chicken, barbecue chicken quarters. If you see, we got them on the grill now. Oh yeah. So, with all that being said, subscribe to me, the little box up there, subscribe. Add me up, check us out. Beer can chicken today, barbecue chicken tomorrow. I think I got some fish I need to deep fry up. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoy.